What's up, everybody? It's your boy Alex Dorfling here, your boy Jago Dubs.
What's up?
And today we are talking about how you can boost your confidence, so little tips, tricks, and all that. So stick around for the rest of the video to find out more.
I don't claim to be the creator, but I'm the savior. I take the strange variables of human life and make something out of a crazy quilt.
So there are a lot of tips and tricks to building confidence. And one of the things that is like really important when building confidence is just honestly believing in yourself and believing in your ability to do things, because like if you don't go out there and try to do different things and then try to solve the problem, it's not going to get fixed, because you're always trying to blame like other things, other people, playing the victim card basically, and not accepting your failures as your own sometimes. So just gotta own up to your problems and be like, hey, I'm a person, I'm human, I make mistakes, I'm flawed, but that's okay, because I can learn from my mistakes and get better with time, and just continually learning to look for those experiences where you can improve on mistakes and stuff like that. And Dragon Dub, do you have anything to add to that?
Have you mentioned the posture?
Not yet, no.
Always just kind of stand up a little bit when you walk. Kind of keeping your head up a little bit, kind of helps. Like even when people even tell you like keep your head up, man, like it actually helps. When keeping your head up actually kind of helps keep you in a good mood a little bit. Because when you look down, it's kind of like you can feel it sometimes. That you feel sleepy, or like you feel like too comfortable to want to move sometimes.
Yeah.
Even if you're like sitting in a certain position, like if you're slouched like this, you're like comfy, you don't want to get up. When you're like this, you're more active, you're sitting up, everything, that kind of shit.
Yeah, and it's also like you just walk into every place like you own it, because like honestly, if you walk into a place like you own it,
it'd be like that on the road too.
Yeah, you just like you can do a lot more things, and there's a lot more opportunities given to you if you walk to a place like you own it. Like, don't be nervous to just do things out of your comfort zone that's like out of the ordinary, because those things that are preventing you from wanting to become more confident is just right outside your comfort zone. Everything that you want to be, like, imagine the best version of yourself, right? What would that best version look like? How would that best version of yourself feel? How would they talk, eat, imagine that, and that will also help you get into the mindset of thinking like, hey, if I can do this, I can be that, because if your mind works for you, not against you, you can do a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's also the same with like clothing too. Like if you wear something more modern but it fits your style and you can find a nice fit, it's very popular in the hip hop scene and rap scene.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of just
clean
even,
though.
It is, yeah.
You don't even have to get shit that's like over $100. You can get like
off-brand stuff.
I got this from my boy Nonstop Pup. Shout out Nonstop Pup. This is like a really nice ass shirt right here. I'm really into like the hip hop metal shit, so this always makes me feel really confident. It makes me feel like really good and all that kind of stuff. I have nice pair of pants. I'm just wearing shorts right now, but I don't have any pair of pants on right now. They're pretty cool, but I have a shitload of pants that look really nice.
I recently started investing in clothing for myself, and I
learned how to match and everything.
Yeah, it does. It definitely does help. Like when you just like take care of your hygiene, take care of yourself, and then like buy clothing and reward yourself. You get a lot of compliments too. You don't realize like if you actually put in the effort and put in the time to just work on those things, like it can be a tremendous help to building confidence. And same with like going back to the posture thing as well. When you're up and forward like that with your shoulders straight, back straight, chest out a little bit,
out. Don't make yourself look like a weirdo or anything. Just kind of
like a militant soldier, just kind of like walking, but
just don't do this.
Yeah, don't slouch.
Look, put your camera on. Don't do this. Don't
slouch.
Don't nerd neck it. You want to kind of like just like this. You kind of pull it up and then get to a nice comfortable area. It's like that. It's pretty easy. I learned that stuff when I was 10 to 12 years old. I was learning how to do posture and stuff like that.
Oh, really?
By my mom's old boyfriend at the time, and then his friend, and they taught me how to do that shit. It's really
nice. Also, a lot of times in life, we are just too hard on ourselves. Like, a lot of us tell us that we're not good enough or we're not worthy. and that affects our reality. But like, if you just learn to love yourself while, you know, working on building your style and just feeling more confident, working on your posture and all that stuff, throughout time, it will automatically just come to you naturally. Like,
it really does.
Yeah.
It really does.
like just do something
The
that,
voices get quieter too.
yeah, the voice in your head,
Yeah, the voices.
it does. Yeah.
The extra voices.
Is there extra?
Some people have more than one, like,
Yeah,
so
that's
many
true.
things going on, you know, and once you start working on yourself, it really helps.
It
You start
does.
feeling
Yeah.
the Zen feeling more often.
Yeah, like a feeling of enlightenment almost. But it's just like,
Yeah.
once you just like believe that you can do more things, you go out of your comfort zone to try those things, it can really make a big difference in the things you normally do. And plus, set lofty goals for yourself, because if you want to be the best version of yourself, the best version of yourself has to have big goals, and then break it to even smaller goals. That way you feel a sense of achievement while you're making those smaller goals, and over time all those smaller goals builds into that one bigger goal. So do you have anything else to add, Draco Dubs?
That's good.
Nope. Alright, so stay legendary, stay beautiful. I'll see you on the next adventure.
Peace out, everyone.